Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to take a look at installing a tank bag today. We're going to make this thing an adventure bike. We need to start getting some luggage on it. So hopefully we're just a few weeks away from doing the SCAR, South Carolina adventure route, a little bit of that. So we're going to today take a moment to install the Tusk Olympus large tank bag. I was considering going with the small, but I think the large is going to fit real good on here. So we're going to just walk you through the install, take a look at how it fits, what's it going to look like, and go from there. Hopefully this will be the first step in getting us on the road. Alright guys, so we have the Tusk large Olympus bag. In the package, of course, you have the bag, the two straps to your engine frame, and then the one around the neck of the motorcycle. Comes with the dry bag for those horrible conditions. And these guys here, so when you do remove the bag or interacting with it, your loops don't fall down onto the motorcycle. Alright, first we're going to feed our cable around the bike frame and neck here, so you just want to make sure it's not cramping any type of cables, free flow of anything you got coming off there. You just go directly around the neck there. The only thing I have to worry about is my electrical cable. Let me show you here. Just getting underneath my electrical cable, and then that's the only thing on this side underneath that neck. So this side was a little tougher. I have a couple cables down here, but once again, just trying to get up underneath this. So I'm only working with the neck, and if I can keep above that, if I can come in right below that and up, I should be without any type of interference with cabling, cable management, power cables especially. So I believe that is what we're going to do. So as my straps come down to the side here, I'm gonna bring them in right about here. Shouldn't interact with me at all. I kind of have a little cheat right here. I might be able to tie into that. Let's switch over to the opposite side, guys. And you know, I don't have that same engine area, so I'll take this cover off and I'm going to come loop it right through here. Just got to be careful of these cables, make sure cable management does not get in the way. Doesn't fall perfectly in line, but it would be a nice little cheat. Let's take a look. So you're just going to loop that through, pull back tight. There's no interaction there. Not going to be heat from the engine to the immediate area. No cables hurt in the production of this video. All right, everything's tightened back up and it looks good. Let's give it a little tug here, and we might have a tank bag installed. Last thing here, guys, is just feeding it through the cable management holder. So when the tank bag isn't there, these are going to stay in place. So I just took the shoe off, pulling it right through here, putting that shoe back on, clip back on, so be it. And then back into the tank and do the same thing around the neck, and we're good. There you have it, guys. First luggage rack on, panniers to come, and it feels snug. Everything worked out really well. Yep. I'm going to end up doing a short-term and long-term review on the Tusk Olympus. We'll be hitting the SCAR here soon, South Carolina adventure route, and then after a handful of routes and adventures, I'll let you know on these. The build feels great. Zippers feel great. Nice and firm tank with a very low cost of entry on the Tusk tank bag. I didn't expect it to kind of be so form-fitting. All the buckles are nice, cabling is nice. Yeah, this is well put together. Obviously they come in at a budget, but I think this guy's going to do really well. So stay tuned after our first couple of ventures, and I'll give you a review what this thing looks like with some mud on it. Right. Yes, I did finally notice that I put the tank bag on backwards. I did get it switched around, but like I said on this channel, I'm new to adventure biking. Let's learn and ride together and have some fun. Hopefully no bigger mistakes are to follow, but let's have some fun, guys, and I'm going to see you on the road.